New York woke up to a dangerous lake-effect snowstorm, paralyzing parts of the western and southern part of the city. The worst hit was the south of the city of Buffalo. The National Weather Service reported more than 2 feet of snow in many of these areas. Forecasters say that storm blowing in from Lake Erie could dump on Buffalo and other cities this weekend as the snow continues to pile on. Travel ban is currently in place. Mayor Byron Brown has urged that public remain indoors except for emergency travel due to the intensity of the storm here.
We have been incredibly hard hit in South Buffalo, where snow continues to come down. That required us to reimpose a driving ban in South Buffalo, the southern portion of the city. We want no driving whatsoever in that area of the city.
The accumulating deep snow has knocked out power and left nearly 6,500 customers without electricity in the Buffalo area. The snowstorm also forced the closure of segments of New York and triggered flight cancellations as well. The residents of the area, however, are still going to work as the snow piles up and is likely to exceed 4 feet.
I'm just going to work. I work for Amazon, so I'll be outside in this most likely, regardless of what the weather's looking like. So that's the only plan that I have.
Officials are also expecting the storm to move and hit other parts of the city overnight, leading to a travel ban in these areas.
It can turn very quickly. This is a very unpredictable storm. We see how hard and how fast it's falling in South Buffalo, making driving conditions extremely hazardous. People trying to drive getting stuck. Once this storm shifts and moves to other areas of the city, we will potentially see the same thing in other parts of the city of Buffalo as well.
WION is now available in your country. Download the app now. Get all the news on the move.